Hey YouTube, Mitch with I-95 Muscle, going to review the 70 Monte Carlo SS454 for you guys today. It's all fresh paint, brand new top, all the chrome trim, the aluminum bright trim is new. Give you a quick chance to check it out and then we'll take it for a ride. It's got AC, power steering. Is there another one? Oh, bear with me. Gotta set you down for a second, YouTube. Close up on that paint though, huh? There we go. So some ZL1 valve covers, aluminum intake manifold. It's like a set of headers. There's your AC system. Guess we could fire it up and let you hear it. That 18-wheeler's done driving by. There we go. And it is hot. Let's see if we can get that AC going. The car's not hot, I'm hot. Carpet's new, headliner's new. I think the upholstery was okay, so they didn't do new upholstery. Power feels like it's all there. Thought that was the 18-wheeler that just left. What the heck? Oh yeah. F-150 is gone, so I will put this in the F-150 hole. Do another sweep outside, get this video uploaded so you guys can watch it. This is what our store looks like if you're driving down Legion Road. Got about 70 more of these cars inside. Everything from classics to daily drivers. Look forward to hearing what you guys have to say about this one. Thanks for watching.